What's the meaning of blogging? Blogging. Blogging.
Blogging. Blogging. Blogging refers to the act of writing and publishing online content on a blog. A blog is a website or an online platform where individuals or organizations can share their thoughts, opinions, experiences, and knowledge with others in a conversational style. Blogging has become increasingly popular over the years, with millions of people using blogs to express themselves, promote their businesses, or establish themselves as experts in various fields. Through blogging, individuals can connect with like-minded people, build communities, and even generate income through advertising or affiliate marketing. With the rise of social media, microblogging platforms, and online publishing tools, blogging has evolved into a diverse and dynamic form of digital communication that continues to shape our online culture.